Facebook warning your page had growth at risk? Here's how to fix it properly. Did your reach drop before this alert? Let me know in the comments below. First, check page quality tab. Delete any post marked false information immediately. To boost engagement fast, reply to every comment for 3 days straight. Facebook prioritizes responsive pages. Post native videos under 1 minute. These get the highest organic reach right now. Avoid links in first 3 posts after the warning. Facebook penalizes external traffic grabs. Go live for just 5 minutes daily. Live videos reset the algorithm's trust. Warning gone? Let me know in the comments below. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.